time check is 5:30 in the morning. It is proper time for us to look for a male squash flower for squash pollination, hand pollination. Okay, this is the process. We'll take out the petals of a male squash flower and look for a female flower. Okay, here it is. Okay, it is a healthy female flower. Okay, be careful. Okay, it is very delicate. Okay, slowly. Okay, be sure that the female is safe. Okay, it is a time for me to insert into the ovary of the female squash. This is hand pollination of the squash. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you learn some lessons about it. Thank you.